Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hennen ka janmet khar artarek ulber ka kanhon menteri jong ka Sorkar thamai ka Sorkar yasan raplang ka bahapo ka kanhon jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalasong Jylla biang banyatai Halor ki katto ka ni kimat ki bedei ba ka jingshong Dorbar jong ka yeng Dorbar thawan ka Jylla ka jing thmu bakongsan jong ka ni ka Jylla jong ka kanhon menteri jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalong ban Ïamir Jingmut Halor ki mat jingkren ki baulat ka Jylla uganga prasad ulapan kre ban ajingkren Haka Jylla jong ka yeng Dorbar thawan ka Jylla ya ka ba on sapenteption ya ka terek Ïakynduh kani ka kanhon menteri kandang ya pej bini aswa ben pa ben bat anda ka kanhon menteri kala menjur on sapha biang saulat ka Jylla ya ka sngipat ban sedangi ka Dorbar jong ka yeng Dorbar thawan ka Jylla on sa shemrai da ka Business Advisory Committee.
So basically the objective of today's meeting is to go into details of the governor's address. So basically that is what the purpose is. Regarding the details of that, at this point I will not be able to discuss details because it's a confidential document, and only after the governor reads it out on the set date, only then will it become a public document. Those dates and days are decided by the Business Advisory Committee. We are in consultation with them, of course, and they do also take advice. But as I said, at this point in time, it would not be appropriate for me to be talking about that, but because that's an issue that is dealt by the Business Advisory Committee. When we prepare a budget, the budget is prepared as a whole. So you cannot have a 3-month budget and then again have a 9-month budget. It doesn't work that way. So when we prepare a budget, it's for the whole year. After the budget is prepared for the whole year, then based on situations, we decide whether we go for a vote on account for 3 months or we give out the full budget. So we are going to be discussing that issue now in the cabinet meeting also. But we are in favor of going for a full-fledged budget so that the work can start and we can move immediately.